Yeah, it's going to YouTube. Alright, I know I said I was going to do a video about installing this camera system, but I get too angry too easy. Trying to find an easy place to put everything, but it wasn't working. They forgot one important piece. I got it all in there, and then it tells me to take out the SDD caddy and to install something, and they forgot to put that in, which is, as you could tell, it's one of those continuous recording for 30 days and it loops over itself. I don't have this in my box, so called the company. They sent me the paperwork, which I already got inside the box when the box came, so nobody knew anything about it, and it just got a little bit irritating and it got on my nerves. So I just hooked this thing up. I put 228 gigabytes in it for right now, and we're gonna let that go, and hopefully we'll be all set. Of course, you know, I already got the ones on the side of the truck mounted. Now, remind you, my dash looks like crap because of all the freaking wires. I just don't know where to run them because I need to have them in a certain spot, and I wanted my the front camera to go up on top, but then I can't figure out how to get it up there without, you know, having to put more holes in. So that's my dilemma right now. But yeah, let me give you a little idea, little peek here. This is going to be the monitor right here. See, I got the monitor in, and you want to see one other thing that they don't show you what to do? At least I can't find it. I can't read Japanese. I don't know about anybody else, but I can't read Japanese. I can't get it to switch over to American so I can know what the hell the buttons are. So anyways, for right now, I got one camera facing here, which, as you can see, it's right here, but it's not where I want it. I want it to be up higher, but there's no place. See, there's no place to put it up here. And if I mount it up here, the camera's going to be upside down. See what I'm talking about? So I don't know if I can take the screws that are right there and flip these two pieces here, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to give it a shot and see what happens. For right now, I got my cell phone antenna for it, so you can have cellular. And then I got the 4G, and then I got the Wi-Fi sitting there. The Wi-Fi can be magnet, but with these new P4s, they got that flat arm on it, and I just don't want to have the wire and have to have a big piece of friggin' wire tie on it. So that's what I have down here. You ready for this mess? Yeah, that's what I have. Now the power wire, the ground, and the yellow wire, which keeps the monitor on even when the truck's not running, because I wanted it continuous. Those are run underneath here, as you can see where the you see where the wires come out right here. Okay. Now all these right here come out right here. All right, there's like a little hole right here. All right. So this wire here, I was able to run and tuck in all the way around, all the way over to here. Okay. And then there was a little hole right underneath this little thing here. I just dropped the wires down there, screwed them into the live and negative. And of course the wire for the antenna comes in. Alright, comes in right down here, which I kind of didn't like that, but I couldn't find any place that would allow me to access. So I have it coming in, going underneath this panel. This panel here, okay? And it's going all the way across. All right, now I took this panel off here, and this black thing here where the monitor is, and I ran the wires all the way through. Then I wire tied them, and I wire tied them to something else in there so they wouldn't move around. The only ones that I haven't done, haven't got hooked up yet is my last camera, number 4. So I'll have to get number 4 hooked up. I'm just trying to figure out if I want it facing my ugly puss, or do I want to put it on the other side where I can have this one up. Do I want to put it on the other side and get 2 angles at the front? I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. So this right here is all mounted. It's in the back. It's got a nice little wire to it, and it hooks in down there. Like I said, these are the antennas. This is not where I wanted them, but the wires are not long enough to go outside and sit up on top of the fairings. I was kind of hoping that I could have it outside to where maybe, like, you know, maybe like this much of it would be sticking up, or maybe even this much here to get a signal, you know, without getting knocked off by, you know, a 13.6 or 13 bridge, you know, that when you hit a bump, so I didn't want it getting knocked off, but there's no place back there to mount it. So what I'm thinking is what I have to do is get rid of all this clutter, because this is too much. This is nasty. I mean, I could send the little wires down through here where the antenna wire comes up for the CB. I burnt my CB out, so I can't. Burnt it out a couple months ago. Just never bought a new one. This wire comes up through there. But see, these are thin wires, so I should be able to... See, these are pretty thin. So I should be able to send all 3 of these down and underneath there. If I could figure out how to get this dang thing off, that'd be a little bit better. I don't like that thing being on my dash. But we're not going to worry about that right now. So we got that all done. So I'll mount it, as you can see, the sides. Let's see, that's the driver's side right there. No, that's not. That's this one. That's the driver's side. So I mean, they do, like, you know, they're nice and clear. Probably go out maybe a little bit more on it. Loosen it up and maybe pull it out. Tack it out just a little bit more. This side right here looks alright. Probably what I'm going to have to do is wait until I get home, or find a friend out here on the road to turn it a little bit for me. Then that way I can be like, you know, 2 people, 2 eyes, you know. And then, so if anybody has any suggestions on what I should do here, like I said, I can't have it mounted like this, you know, upside down, because it's gonna make the video upside down. So that's why that wouldn't help me at all. So that's what we got planned. That's what we're hoping we can get done. So yeah, I'm still here at the Landstar OC. Sorry, Landstar Terminal. I screwed up myself. It was me. Yeah, I messed up. So they're looking for a trailer right now for me. So I didn't show myself available, and it was me. It's a new Omnitrax there. It's different than what I'm used to, and I screwed up. But it's all right. It's all right. Yeah, there's nothing to get mad about. Nothing to throw hateful comments in on me. So anyway, so that's what we're doing now. As you can tell, I picked up an Old Glory. I got her flying high in the back there. So that's what we're doing right now. We're sitting here just waiting. I called in, and like I said, they're checking right now to locate me a trailer. And then after that, we're gonna make a phone call to this company here and find out how to get this switched over to American, and find out where that SSD caddy is. I mean, I got the caddy, I just don't have the hard drive. It's supposed to be a 1 terabyte of memory, and you know, by not having that, right now I only have 256 of memory. So I don't really think 256 is going to last too long. So I don't know when it will start recording. I got to fix the time. The time's off on it. It says 22:44. The date's fine, but I can't figure out how to get in here to do anything else. So I can see the time right there. Maybe if I get this thing to move here. There it goes. Alright, so I just don't know how to. I don't know. Maybe I should stop pressing buttons before I end up screwing something up. There we go. Put it back the way it was. I mean, I don't know what else to do. I really don't. Like I said, I got all the instructions. Everything to get online, so I can hook up to my Wi-Fi. I guess you can also monitor it on your phone. You can hook up a HDMI cable, run it to your TV, so that way you have it back there. You can hook it up to a monitor on a computer, so that way you got it hooked up there, and then that way you don't have to worry about ever losing any files. You can just download that to an external hard drive on your computer. You know, you hook it up to your computer, you grab one of those external hard drives, and you got the memory of this 1 terabyte once you get it. And so let's just say your external hard drive is another 1 terabyte to 2 terabytes. Now you're talking, you got more memory than what you need, and you won't have to worry about it. But so I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to show you what I did, and I'm just waiting on a trailer. So everything's all hooked up. I just don't know how long the memory cards will last once I start driving and it starts recording. Yeah, shoot me some comments of some suggestions of what to do. I got 2 cameras left. Like I said, I got the one that's right here. They're both the same. But I need to know, should I put one on the left and one on the right, so that way I can have the angle, you know, a bigger angle? Or you think there'd be a way that I can reverse the holder? I might be able to reverse the holder, to come think about it. Maybe I should try that, and then somehow try to get it up next to that stupid lane assist there, and then that way I can run the wire up in without putting, you know, any big holes in it, and then just unscrew and then run the wire down and along there, and then underneath over there by the fuse box, and then tap it in. I can do that. And then the fourth one, I was thinking about having an angle in my ugly puss all the time. But I guess we're going to wait and see what happens. Y'all let me know what you think. You think that would be a pretty cool thing to do? Let me know and down in the comments. And I appreciate you guys watching. And I will keep you guys updated. I will do another video as soon as I get my trailer and I'm heading towards it. And then we're going to go from there, and we're going to start booking some loads and start making some money. And so anyways, so thank you guys for watching. Thanks to the new subscribers, and thanks to the ones that have been sticking around. And I'm hoping to get this dash camera all hooked up where it's supposed to be, so that way we're going to have a little bit more interesting videos, hopefully. I'm not going to promise anything. I'm just going to say hopefully. So anyways, so thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate it. And have yourself a good day. Alrighty.